back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and coming on back. Just a little heads up, you guys, I'm going to change my channel name just a little bit. I'm going to drop the dinner part and just be Time with April. Because I'm going to be incorporating some lifestyle videos onto my channel, I just think it'll make more sense. But same channel, different name. And if you want to join the family, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button along with the notification bell, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So I've been really wanting to do something with my nails for the longest time, and years ago I used to make my appointments and get my refills every 2 weeks, but it just got way too expensive. So I did a little bit of research, and I'm going to show you how I went from having drabby nails to having these fabulous nails at home at an inexpensive price. And I will list everything in the description box down below. If you want to see how I got them, then just keep watching. So I decided, you know, it's time for my nails and my hands to go from drab to fab. So I did a little bit of research and I went on Amazon and I found a lot of great stuff. So I got this case of Coffin nail tips, and I got them in the short size because it's just a lot more practical for what I do. And they come in 500 pieces and with 10 different sizes. And as you can see, there's a whole lot of nails, so this is gonna last me for a long time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure each fingernail with a different nail tip just so that I can find that perfect size. So I had some clear nail polish on, so I'm going to take some nail polish remover and I'm going to make sure that my nail bed is completely clean. So I found this nail glue from Kiss, and because I'm right-handed, I'm going to start applying nails on my right hand first. So I began putting nail glue on my nail bed, and I'm going to grab the nail or the nail tip that matches that finger, and I'm just going to press down for about 10 seconds. It dries really quickly. So my right hand is finally done. It's hard to tell because my tips are clear, but they're definitely on. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes for those to dry, and now I'm going to get started on my left hand. So now that I have all my tips on, I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes just to make sure that the glue is dried down all the way. Okay, so now I'm just going to take an emery board and I'm going to go over each tip just to make sure that the top of the nail is completely smooth. So I found this really pretty color from LA Colors, and I picked it up from Walmart, and it was really reasonable. I think it was around $2.50, probably even less than that. But the color is called Friendship if you're interested in picking it up, but obviously you can use whatever color that you like. But I was looking for something that was really neutral, and it was so pretty, and I thought it looked really cute on my hands. So after I'm done polishing my nails, I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes for them to dry, and then I'm going to top it up with a clear polish from Sinful Colors, and this is just going to help my nail polish to last, and it's going to give it that little extra shine. And it's still cold outside and my skin is so dry, so I'm going to take some of my favorite lotion and I'm going to just make sure that my hands are nice and moisturized and really smooth. So I am done. I'm just going to slip on one of my favorite rings and I am good to go. So I had a good time making this video, you guys, and if you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and sharing is caring. And if you have any suggestions for videos in the future, please leave it in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.